In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a name in a Mailchimp email. This is a simple but powerful way to make your emails feel more personal, and it can really improve how your audience engages with your campaigns. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to insert a subscriber's first name into your email content. First, open your email draft in the Mailchimp Builder. This is the main editing area where you design and write your campaign. You can do this by going to your campaigns, choosing the one you want to edit, and then opening it in the Builder view. Make sure you're working on the correct email so the changes apply to the right campaign. Once your email is open in the Builder, click into any text block. A text block is simply a section of your email that contains text, like your greeting, your main message, or your closing. You can click directly on the area where you type, and you should see the text editor and formatting toolbar appear. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the subscriber's name to appear. For example, if you want your email to start with "Hi first name," click just after the word "Hi" and before the comma, leaving a small space. Positioning your cursor correctly is important, because the name will be inserted right at that spot. With your cursor in place, look at the formatting toolbar that appears above the text block. In this toolbar, you'll see an option called Merge Tags. Click on Merge Tags. Merge tags are placeholders that Mailchimp uses to pull in information from your audience list, like first names, last names, or email addresses, and insert it into each email automatically. After clicking Merge Tags, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select First Name. As soon as you click it, Mailchimp will insert a tag into your text, usually something that looks like a bit of code. Don't worry, that code won't appear to your subscribers. When you send your campaign, Mailchimp will replace that tag with each person's actual first name, based on the information in your audience list. That's all you need to do to add a name to your Mailchimp email. Make sure to preview or send a test email to yourself so you can confirm the name appears correctly, and then you're ready to send a more personalized, friendly campaign to your audience.